I'm just going to go up in increments of like 2. And it is drawing 1.47. I'm going to go to 6 on there, and I'm drawing 1.92, 8, and 7, 1.9, 1.99, do 8, a little over 8, 2.01, it's dropping. Yeah, forget it, takes a little bit, it hasn't been rushed. And I'm just going to go right up to high, which is, oh yeah, it's a good amount of air, but it's also pretty cool that that it's got that grill there that spins. No. Yeah, that is kind of cool though. It's just like an oscillator, and it is drawing 2.05.
to be an adjustment to it.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, do we want to do solid state? That was already a solid state.
Yeah, we already
But
did a solid state.
what I do want to do though is 0 to high. I want to see what the inrush current is, and that will be for that one. And thank you for watching. On to the next fan.